Hello friends and welcome to Petals, Crafts and More. This is Pat and today we're going to make a wreath. The wreath we're going to make today can be interior or exterior and it's going to be beautiful. Here you'll see I've already put my bow on my frame and we're using a almost teardrop grapevine. These are the beautiful flowers that we're going to put in there. I can't wait. It's going to be gorgeous. Now here we go. We've got it started here. I've already went ahead and put one of flowers in the wreath just to kind of check my height and see where we're going to go from there. And here we go with adding more and more flowers. And we're just doing this sporadically. No rhyme or reason. I'm just reaching over there, getting to know it a little bit, throwing some hot glue on it, and sticking it in the wreath. Once we get some of it filled in a little bit more and I got a better idea of where my design is going, then I will start tweaking it some. For right here, right now, I'm just kind of getting acquainted with it myself as we're going. And here I'm going to switch us over and you'll see hit completed and kind of get a really close-up view of where everything did get placed since I switched the camera before the illustration was completed. And I think it's gorgeous. I am loving it. There you see it in a kind of darker atmosphere. I thought that would bring the white out in those flowers even more. And it did. Very proud of this arrangement. I'm loving it. And here it is hanging on a interior wall in my house. You can see a little shadow there, but that just gives it more of a romantic view. It's a beautiful, beautiful arrangement. Very proud. And thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos to come. And you do that by liking and following or subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys and have a very blessed day.